Today I'm going to show you the nylon rope trick, where we make nylon using an interfacial polymerization technique. So on your left over here we have this red solution that is diaminohexane and sodium hydroxide and 100 milliliters of water, and we just added a red dye to it so you can see a color. And on the right we have sivacoyl chloride and 100 milliliters of hexane. So what you do is you take a clean beaker and you pour a certain volume, a specific volume of the water solution, so we'll just say 50 milliliters. So you pour that in first. When you have about 50 milliliters, you then pour the same volume, so 50 milliliters, of the hexane solution in. And what you do for this is you want to make sure the hexane stays on top of the water, so you need to pour it gently. And a trick I use is to pour it down a glass stir rod. Okay, so once you have 50 milliliters of each liquid, the polymer, the nylon, will form at the interface of the two layers, and you should be able to grab it with your stir bar or stir rod. And you can see it from the top that it formed. There you go. See, now we have pink nylon. So I'm going to show you here is a trick. You can wrap this around anything. Here I have a drill so you can see how long you can make it. You just turn the drill on slowly, and you wind up your nylon. You see, because of the red dye, the nylon is pink. You can actually add any dye color you want. Make whatever color dye you'd like. And here, set this up now that we have a long enough bit. I'm going to try to wrap this a little bit further around the drill. There we go. You can see it just keeps going. The only thing you have to pay attention to is you don't want the nylon to touch too much of the beaker, the sides of the beaker, otherwise you'll break apart your nylon rope.